and he has a table that's like Final Fantasy Spirits with him, and was born on the 38th of 2001.
Coming soon to home video.
Following previous after following Shisha Motion Picture Association America.
Read from the top line, Sasha.
I-L-O-V-E-Y. Oh.
You. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, ready and wet. America's favorite on-screen couple has broken up.
She fell in love with another guy. I'm with one now, with a couple.
But everyone wants them back together.
You're on the air.
I can't watch you without Eddie. I need Eddie to bring back together again.
And there's only one person who can make it happen.
Don't worry. I know somebody.
Wait, I love you. I'd do anything for you. You're just asking an awful lot. Kiki! I smell smoke. Could you please put that out? Please, please.
You look fabulous. What did you do?
It's my hair. She lost 60 pounds.
60 pounds?
Yeah.
That's a Backstreet Boy.
Now they're trying to keep up appearances.
Here they are, ready and wet, together again.
And she's picking up the pieces.
But you want to take a swing at it, huh? Please. Come on. What is it? Come on, what is that?
Hector?
Eddie, you okay?
Something happened tonight. Gwen was drawing me to her. And there she was. And I thought to myself, that's the woman I'm supposed to spend the rest of my life with.
The woman by the pool.
Gwen. The real story is happening off screen. What are you thinking right now?
Something that I should be thinking about.
Does this have something to do with Gwen?
Kiki, Kikikins, my butter has touched another food. I need new butter.
So what is it? You're in love with Daddy?
Wouldn't that be stupid?
Revolution Studios presents.
Are you seeing anybody?
What do you think about how I answer that?
What? You moron! Here, your eggs.
Oh.
There you go.
This is a very complicated situation.
Let me uncomplicate it for you. That woman that you saw by the pool the other night. No, that woman that you just have to spend the rest of your life with. That was me.
Academy Award winner Julia Roberts, Billy Crystal,
Hey.
Catherine Zeta-Jones, John Cusack,
I've never seen him look at her the way he's been looking at you.
America's sweethearts.
At least buy me dinner and drinks first.
Don't let me interrupt.
Following previous after following Shisha Motion Picture Association America.
I am a warrior. I am a warrior.
Warrior can't feel his face.
Marvin Mage always wanted to help people. But nothing ever came easy.
Nipples got out again.
I let him out.
Until a tragic accident.
That wasn't so bad.
And a groundbreaking medical experiment brought him back to life.
I'm Marvin.
I'm Rihanna. Is something wrong? Nice catch.
What's in me? When I found you, you were more dead than alive. And the only way to save you was my radical trans-species-ectomy.
What's that mean?
I put animal parts in you. What? I'm an animal Frankenstein.
My lord.
I'll get this back to you. Just wash it out first.
Now he's trying to blend in and act human
Give me a paw.
before his animal instincts take control.
Yeah, baby's nailed down tight.
From the producing team that brought you Deuce Bigelow.
something about you. I cannot figure it out.
Crime has a dangerous new enemy.
There's some kind of a beast out there.
Law enforcement has a powerful new ally.
Somebody help my boy!
And livestock has a disturbing new friend.
Is that your goat? How's it going? It's a nice looking tail you got there. You thinking what I'm thinking?
The animal.
You got it going on.
Now available on home video.
Following periods after Volume Motion Picture Association America.
There may not be enough great adjectives to describe Cirque du Soleil. Thrilling, amazing, enchanting. Winner of more than 100 international awards, Cirque du Soleil has reinvented the circus. Now, Cirque du Soleil has created an extraordinary vision, designed especially for the incredible dimension of a large format screen. Sony Pictures Classics and Cirque du Soleil invite you to the performance of a lifetime. An experience for all your senses. Cirque du Soleil, Journey of Man.
The only worthwhile real estate in the entire system. A moon as big as the Earth, orbiting around the gas giant Tesca 4. Psychon had determined that this lush jungle planetoid was the breadbasket for the entire bug empire. All we had to do was take the thing and cut the bugs off from their food supply.
Take cover! Roughnecks, fall back!
It's at 11 o'clock.
They're going down! That dirt pile is their fortress. Wiggle of that, and it's all over.
Don't want to mess with me.
Brother's running off fumes here. I'm gonna wrap this up. Welcome to the MovieTV. Let's get out of here. Roughnecks. We can do this. We can be champions. They had nothing to lose.
Well, that was different.
I could make such armor you wouldn't even know you wore it.
I didn't feel a thing.
They'll challenge the system and show the world what they're made of.
We will rock you! Yeah!
A Knight's Tale.
Thank you, I'll be here all week!
Final Fantasy, the original motion picture soundtrack. Music composed by Elliot Goldenthal. Featuring Spirit Dream Inside, performed by L'Arc-en-Ciel. And The Dream Within, featuring Lara Fabian. Final Fantasy, the original motion picture soundtrack. Available in stores now.
Good morning, angels.
Good morning, Charlie.
If it heats you up, I love fireworks. If it chills you out, if it lifts your heart, and lasts forever,
You had me at hello.
it's Hollywood. Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment could make you the ultimate Hollywood VIP with Inside Hollywood VIP points.
Oh boy.
Do you want to go behind the scenes in Hollywood and see how your favorite films and shows are made?
You let me in undercover.
I'll leave that up to you. Then buy any specially marked Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment VHS or DVD now and earn VIP movie points that you can use to bid on fabulous Inside Hollywood experiences.
I just need to know, are you in or are you out?
The best movies at unbeatable prices.
I'll take that as a compliment.
And points in every box for you to take online and use at auction.
This just makes everything so perfect.
So log on now at moviepoints.lycos.com to bid on your 15 minutes of fame. Here's what you could win. A walk-on role in Dawson's Creek. Have dinner with the crew of King of Queens, then watch them tape a show. Take a 2-hour backstage VIP tour on the set of The Young and the Restless. Walk down the red carpet at a Hollywood premiere. Be a special guest at a taping of Jeopardy, Wheel of Fortune, or the hit comedy Bet. Visit the set of television's hottest show, VIP, or win a walk-on role in a blockbuster Sony Pictures Entertainment film. Guest accommodations for winners provided by Radisson Hotels.
You're loving me now, aren't you?
These and other amazing Inside Hollywood prizes can be yours if you're the top bidder and you've got the points to prove it.
You have no idea how much fun this is.
Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment's VIP points Inside Hollywood.
Come on, man!
It's hot.
Strap on the nitro.
It's cool. It's Hollywood.
Show me the money!
So log on and start bidding for your chance to be a Hollywood VIP.
For additional rating information, go to www.filmratings.com. This also modified its original version. It's been formatted to fit this screen. Yeah. Square pictures at the beginning. From Final Spirits Be With Him.